Zagat on the Run, Vanity Photo Book Publishing, and stalking your favorite bands. It can only be one thing. What? The Q. Top of the day to you. Hope it's a great one. I'm Rich DeMuro, and you found your way into the Q, taming the weird and wild tech world since 1937. Give or take a few years. Let's get you started with your must-click moment. You hit me like a tong. Just try not to crack a smile watching this. A simple dancing robot. Carnegie Mellon and a Japanese university collaborating to build the squishy yellow robot called Keep-On. It moves in sync to music or someone else dancing. They hope the technology makes robots seem more human. More proof the .mobi domain isn't dead just yet. Zagat now has a wireless site for info and ratings on the go. Zagat.mobi lets you look up restaurants, nightlife, and hotel information for cities across the US and around the world. Unlike their downloadable mobile app, the site is compatible with any web-enabled phone. A few cool features on the site, including the ability to send the listing via text message to a friend and a way to find other listings nearby. 411 style info is free. Now to get actual Zagat ratings and reviews, you have to pony up $25 a year. Moving through the queue, PhotoWorks hopes to do for photographers what eBay did for collectors by letting anyone sell photo books. The site launching a service called My Storefront. Right now you can sell custom photo books made from your pictures, but there are plans to add the ability to sell prints, cards, photo gifts, calendars, and digital downloads. Some ideas from PhotoWorks: chefs can make cookbooks, artists can sell prints, and charities can raise money through custom books. This just in from the TRL studios: technology actually makes young people happy. MTV and the Associated Press studying 13 to 24-year-olds for 7 months and found that cell phones, the internet, and technology are an integral part of young people's lives. 1 out of 2 saying the internet alone makes them happier. We'd like to think so. And they'd be stressed out without technology. Half say they never turn off their cell phones, even when they're trying to, quote, chill out. Finally, the site: when you're so obsessed with a band, you can't wait for your local radio station to tell you when they're coming to town. Band Tracker lets you stalk from the comfort of your computer. The site lets you track over 300,000 bands. Just pop in your favorites and a location, then you'll get a weekly email saying who's in town and ways to score tickets. There are even widgets so you can show off your tracked bands on social networking sites including MySpace and Facebook. No need to register if you just want to check out concert schedules and get tickets. By the way, the most tracked artist right now, Kelly Pickler. Consider yourself all queued up. I'm Rich DeMuro with CNET TV in New York City, and I have no idea what High School Musical is all about. See you later.